Hi, my name is Andy Rohn. I'm the Kettle Moraine Springs Fish Hatchery Supervisor here. Today we're at the Annex location. We're loading up some Chambers Creek steelhead for the Menominee River, Little River, and Peshtigo River up in Marinette County. We're seining the fish up right now, and that's the large net that they're pulling through the raceway that's gathering all the fish to crowd them so we can use the dip nets to load the truck. So the next process we're doing now is the weight count. We're figuring out how many fish it takes to equal 1 pound of fish. So after the weight count, we get a measurement of the water in the truck, which is called displacement. So we get a height of the water in the tank pre-putting fish in, and then that way we know how many centimeters of water we have to displace to meet our quota for that particular river. We'll stock these fish into 25 different tributaries into Lake Michigan. The fish will hang out in those rivers for a few weeks, then out migrate to Lake Michigan, where they'll stay out in the lake for several years till they're ready to spawn again, and then they'll come back up that same river that we stocked them in to continue their life cycle. And this way it provides fishermen out on Lake Michigan to catch fish, and it provides fishermen to catch fish in the rivers.